Uline's heavy-duty rolling Z-Rack is perfect for storing and moving bulky and heavy items on sales floors, in stockrooms, and warehouses for online fulfillment. The base's Z design allows racks to nest and store within small spaces and closets. Uline's heavy-duty rolling Z-Rack features a chrome finish that can be used as a display piece in retail stores and a fixed hang bar with a 500-pound capacity to hold your heaviest garments. The Z-Rack has two locking casters that keep the fixture in place and bumpers to protect walls and furniture from scratches. You can further customize your heavy-duty Z-Rack with these optional accessories: an add-on bar to double your hanging capacity, a bottom shelf to hold smaller items like boots, boxes, and folded garments, and cover supports and clothes rack covers to keep your stored clothes clean and dust-free. Whatever your store operation needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.